Hey YouTube, what's up? It's your boy Tony again here. Oh, and apparently I left my voltage gauge on all night. Don't know if you can see that. Don't really care. Cleaned the car, but it was kind of gunky. It was kind of stuttering and popping a little bit, so I'm gonna do a cold start. It's pretty freaking cold outside. It's a random streetlight bulb, but okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do a cold start. The battery's at 12.2. It should be enough. This thing starts up like every time. I shouldn't need choke. It's a bit rich anyways. That's weird. It always starts. I'm so dumb. Someone may have already pointed that out in the comments that I'm dumb, but when you have the fuel on, it helps. Apparently it's been leaking a bit too. That bolt fill a bit. And yes, that oil filter is dented, and no, I do not care. Overfull. Yeah. Means the float stuck. Okay, it should start now. I'm just gonna run it real quick because it's like, what I think, 8:28 in the morning. So yeah, our neighbors probably won't like to hear this for very long. This thing's a pain cold. Yep, that's it. See ya.